Hi, you have not already been on my channel. My name is Emily. It was a mess up in the hospital, but you can call me M or L or Elm or Emily or Emily. So you're good, don't worry. But welcome to my channel. And if you like my video or if you like the content of my channel, which is a little all over the place, just hit subscribe and I will keep making more. And then you guys can give me some suggestions on what you want or what you don't want to see more. It's been a long time. Don't judge me, but I came with a good video today, I guess, or good video today. So I bought this thing for my sister, and she is a spoiled brat, so she didn't want it. It's the 23&Me Ancestry kit, and it was on sale for the holidays, so I was like, you know, if you don't want it, I've always wanted to do it, because who doesn't want to know their ancestry, right? Some people do, but it's fine. What I hope to find, or what I am expecting to find in the results. So it's, my mother is Dominican and my father is Puerto Rican, but I was raised with my Dominican side, so I'm very, like, you know, prideful Dominican. Like, we eat plátanos, we love everything, we're very loud people. Not everybody's like that, but some are and some aren't. But I am proud to be Dominican and Caribbean. So what a lot of the Caribbean is made up of is too, and people from all over the world, but a lot from Africa and Europe. So I don't know what my results will come back as. I know a couple of people's results have come back. It's like another word. It's the word for Jewish, or the equivalent for Jewish in the 23&Me like results as something, but that's come back for a lot of people. So I'm not sure. I'm kind of excited though to find out. I think it'll be really interesting. So I have already registered online. It asks for your email and your birthday and asks you to set up a profile. But I really wanted to do the saliva thing fast because I'm disgusting. Okay, so this is what you use to send the spit sample back. And then you open it up like this. And hi, let's get started. Let's do that. Okay, so here, so big thing that I forgot to say, do not forget that 30 minutes before, you can't eat or drink, brush your teeth, mouthwash or anything like that, like any time 30 minutes before you're going to do the sample. So I had stopped eating and drinking, but then I decided to brush my teeth. So I have to wait another couple of minutes, so just hold on. So I'm not sure if I'm like at 30 minutes, but I could be at like 25. So while I explain what's inside of this, then I'll sorry, my niece is here. Then I'll go taking the things out and you guys can see. So it brings it in this little right here, and it gives you instructions. So it says no food or drinks for 30 minutes. Spit to fill the line, close the funnel, detach the funnel, screw on cap, seal and bag, and mailing kit. Okay. Okay.
So, spit to fill the lines. And just your little biohazard bag. You work in the hospital like I do. We've seen plenty of these. It's a little bit different, but same concept. Okay. Good. And then we have our little tube that brings us like solution. You know, you guys can see? Don't know. Yeah. And then it brings your cap. That's everything that's in here.
This thing doesn't really have anything. It says we're excited for you to begin this journey. I can read. I swear. I want to know. We are here to help you. So they have a customer service number. It's great. And then they have the Instagram stuff. Here you go. You can see. So because I'm a classy lady, I'm not gonna have you. Well, I'm not gonna let you guys. It would be honest, right, to show you me spitting into this. But that's so personal. All right, just give me like 5 seconds. Okay, my niece convinced me to let you guys see me do it. Cause she's like, you have to be honest to your YouTubers. So here we go. I'm gonna give them a little more. Just to be safe. You never know. I want my analysis to come back like A1. Last little bit. So now it says spill to the fill line, close the funnel. I'm going to close this.
Okay. I think it has like remember like what I showed you guys earlier? It was in here. So now it says detach the funnel. Okay. That's easy to detach.
It was at this moment he knew. He f***ed up.
You have scissors? The reason it was so hard to pop off the thing is because it's supposed to like screw off. So I'm sorry for that. Well, I just cut it off because I'm a savage. So there you go. Eventually I unscrewed it, so we're fine. Sample is in. The fluid is in. Everything is in there. It is a mix of bubbly fun.
Okay. You peel this right off. Good. And then you just seal it right up.
Your bag is sealed. Good. Our specimen is in. Close this box up. And then conveniently, the box has like an adhesive peel here thing here. And so when you're going to send it, you just peel that right off. Put that down. Stick in the little side panels. And you close it. There, good. And this is going to North Carolina. Burlington, North Carolina. Thank you guys for watching my 23&Me doing my 23&Me activities ancestry package kit. I will give you guys an update when I get my results back. But thank you for watching.
I like digging holes and hiding things inside.